Okay, so 22 hours and 21 minutes into this print. It's basically this guy here in a slightly larger scale, laying down with a bunch of supports. The stringiness is because I'm running at 232, running the temperature very hot. Produces a little bit more string, but with this wood material I find I get less jams when I run it hot, so especially with a long print like this. This is supposed to take 24 hours, and it's actually taking a little bit more than that, because you see we're only 60% done. We've got 22 hours on the clock, so this will probably finish up in the next 10 hours or so, hopefully. Maybe 13 hours. It's definitely my longest print yet. It's a shell, just like this guy here. That guy there, oh, you can't see him with the light that way. Anyway, he's a shell. But he was printed like this, but the printer didn't go high enough, so it messed up his head. So I laid him down, but in order to get him to print the bottom side, since it's so round, I had to basically generate what you can see there is a support structure, and then the internal support structure, so that the top where it's, because that's his back down there, and then it's gonna, his back's down here, and then it's gonna be his breast up here, and then his face will be in that spot back there where there's a hole. But the back of his head is there. Let me see if I can bring it around to the other side. Show you that move my light real quick. Show you that the back of his head is here. With the branches and more support. Lots and lots of support, always. That's pretty much it. See how it looks in another 10 hours.